Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got another guess what's in the box video. It's in a small bag. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. It's from eBay. Thank you guys for watching. Excuse me. Sorry guys, welcome to the channel. I'm sick, kind of have pneumonia. But before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright. Oh, and I also have affiliate links if you guys want to check those out. So this package is 10.5 inches wide by 13 inches long by not 3/8 of an inch thick, if that. Feels like it's a wire harness, to be honest. Pretty flat. I could be wrong. Could be the stereo wire harness. It could be the wire harness for the 2000 4Runner that plugs into the stereo. Where I have to wire a Metra harness that plugs into the Toyota plugs in the 2000 4Runner Limited. And that pigtail has to be wired to a Pioneer harness to allow the 8200 NEX head unit to function. It could be either one of those harnesses. It could be something else too that I'm just not thinking at the moment. I've purchased probably 30 things now from eBay in the last 2 weeks. Everything from parts to fix the SR5 as well as parts and things to fix the Limited and even replacement parts. I do have a power antenna assembly actual Toyota genuine power mast motor and mast coming in because I took the antenna mast out, realized the motor is the problem. If I turn the key on, you guys will hear as loud as it can. Kind of sound like a dinosaur there for a second. My apologies. But what do you guys think this is? To me, it's pretty flat. It's only wide right here. It might be a switch. Also, because I did pick up some switches. Came from Diddly Deals. I don't remember what I bought from Diddly Deals. I just purchased a bunch of stuff on eBay. I don't really pay attention normally to who it's from as long as it's an OEM Toyota part. These could be OEM Toyota parts. They may not have anything to do with the 8200 NEX Pioneer stereo. But you leave your comments down below. Just a quick video. Appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. I'm kind of out of breath at the moment. Excuse me. Go check out the affiliate links below, and we will open this in the next video. Make that pretty short and sweet as well. Got lots and lots of stuff coming up for the Limited as well as the SR5. We're going to be stripping the SR5 down, trying to take all the damaged parts off of it. I need to repair the brackets for my Halo headlights, which thankfully the only thing that broke were the plastic mounting brackets. So I can remove the glass and just unbolt the plastic brackets, bolt new brackets on, and mount them straight up. Those headlights are going to go onto the Limited because the reflector housings are super hard to see out of, and at the moment it doesn't really matter what vehicle they're on as long as they can be used. The SR5 is going to be down for quite a while, so there's no point to leave them on that. So I'm going to be transporting those over. Future updates in the future, you guys will hear it as soon as I get the videos up. I do appreciate your guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!